Hey, what's up, everybody? Really haven't had a chance to really post, but I just want to show everybody the new bike, Aprilia 1000 Tuono. Yep. Yeah, got it a couple of months ago. Really haven't had a chance to ride. I just broke it in December. Took it in for the 600-mile service. Got my GPS, music. It needs to be refurbished though. It's kind of breaking up on me. Little hole there. I had to tape that on to keep it on, but that's going. So I need to send it back in to Garmin. But out here, spirited ride through the hill country. It's a more standard bike. Yep. Little weekend riding.
And I'm sitting there thinking, the whole time I think I'm on 16 and 4. Oh my God. And I'm like, man, it is freaking taking forever to get on. I wish I could hurry up and get home, you know? All that, and I start looking around, I'm like, I don't recognize none of this stuff. What the hell am I at? I pull over and I pull my phone up, I get the GPS, I was like, I'm freaking 60 miles out of town. I was like,
Kerrville or something?
I had to turn, I wasted all that gas, I turned all the way back.
What is it?
They're waiting for their bait.